In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to create an outline of a text that you are reading. If you have taken an English class already, you are probably familiar with an outline. Outlines benefit writers in many ways. First, it helps writers organize their ideas. Second, it helps writers stay on topic. And third, it gives writers a quick overview of their paper. So writers create outlines using their ideas. Readers also create outlines. However, instead of using outlines to organize our thoughts, we create outlines organizing the author's ideas. So as readers, we're like detectives. We are trying to figure out the author's original ideas. So we ask ourselves, how did the author organize his or her ideas? And to figure this out, we look at the headings and subheadings of the text. We also read each paragraph to identify the main ideas for each topic. Before we start writing an outline, there are rules about outlines we need to know. These are not rules I came up with myself. These are standard rules that are applied universally. Outlines have a very specific hierarchy, and each hierarchy uses a very specific label. First, if you look at this presentation here, the major headings or topics are typically outlined with Roman numerals. The next level after Roman numerals are always capital letters with a period. And then the level after capital letters are numbers with a period. Remember, you must indent for each level, and each level must align with its group of hierarchy. You will use what you learned last week about main ideas and what we're learning right now about outlines to help create an outline for this specific article. Now, as a reader, your outline is a way to organize the notes from the reading. This way, if you need to go back to review this reading, you have your outline to use instead of rereading the entire text. In addition, we're going to learn later how to use an outline to help us write a summary. And then finally, an outline helps you see the big picture of the article. So let's look at how you will set up your outline for this particular text. First, the title of this outline is Elements of Culture. Notice there are three main headings for this article. We have values and beliefs, norms, and symbols and language. Now, Roman numeral 1 will be values and beliefs, Roman numeral 2 will be norms, and Roman numeral 3 will be symbols and language. Notice there are no subheadings. So do you remember what comes after Roman numerals? Capital letters. And because there are no subheadings, each paragraph will be labeled with a capital letter. So under values and beliefs, the first paragraph will be A, the next one will be B, C, D, E, F, and G. Repeat the same thing with the section norms. You will start labeling your paragraph again, starting with the letter A, all the way until you have completed that section. And repeat the same for symbols and language. This is how your outline will look like for this article. For each paragraph, you will identify the main idea, and then for the headings, symbols and language, notice there are 10 paragraphs, so you would need to label each one of them. And in this instance, you will label from A to J. I did the first section, values and norms, for you. For letters A through G, I identified the main ideas for each paragraph. And for this assignment, you will complete the outline for the remaining sections, norms, and then the last section, symbols and language. Please go back and read each paragraph under values and norms, and then read my main idea so you can see how I came up with the main idea for each of these paragraphs.